As winter is knocking, vegetable stalls are changing the fruits and vegetables with winter ones. There are many winter fruits in India that you can include in your diet. Eating seasonal fruits and vegetables helps you to stay blooming throughout the season. The list of seasonal vegetable plants for farming in winter depends upon different factors including location and availability. Hi friends, welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. This video is on the 15 best winter season crops farming. Carrots. Many varieties of carrots do well for cold weather growing. With proper planning, these can thrive when temperatures drop. Carrots can survive temperatures as low as 15 degrees Fahrenheit, but prolonged periods of cold result in long, pale roots. Carrots offer so many nutrients that having a crop ready for harvest year-round will give you a wealth of health benefits. Spinach. Spinach is an excellent choice for overwinter production as it is extremely cold and hardy. As the temperature decreases, the plant increases the sugar content in its vasculature. Spinach loves cool weather and cool, moist soil. It can be grown year-round in warm winter regions like Mexico, Texas, and California, but tastes best when it's in season. Lettuce. Growing lettuce in winter is easier than you think. The key is to select frost-tolerant varieties and pair them with a season extender like a cold frame, mini hoop tunnel, or polytunnel. This easy-to-grow leafy vegetable will be a perfect pick for your winter garden. Beetroot. Beetroot is cultivated best during winter in India. Though it can be cultivated anywhere when the weather conditions have a temperature ranging from 18 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius with minimal rainfall, in India, it's mostly cultivated during winters as a seasonal crop. Cabbage. Commercial cabbage farming is profitable, and you will be able to make good profits from this business. The initial investment requirement in commercial cabbage farming business is very less as compared to other crop production businesses. Broccoli. Broccoli crops required cold weather. This crop can be cultivated all over India during the winter season, and areas where rainfall is less is suitable for broccoli farming. For broccoli production, the ideal temperature required 25 degrees Celsius to 26 degrees Celsius during the day and 16 degrees Celsius to 17 degrees Celsius at night. Broccoli thrives in cooler weather and is frost-tolerant, making it a wonderful winter garden option. Radish. Radish is a cool season, fast-maturing, easy-to-grow vegetable. Garden radishes can be grown wherever there is sun and moist, fertile soil, even on the smallest city lot. Early varieties usually grow best in the cool days of early spring, but some later maturing varieties can be planted for summer use. Peas. Peas are annual plants with a life cycle of 1 year. They are a cool season crop grown in many parts of the world. Planting can take place from winter to early summer depending on location. The pea seeds can be planted either by scattering them throughout the field or by sowing in rows. Onions. Onion is one of the easiest vegetables to grow, not just in winter but all year round. These super hardy plants can survive incredibly cold temperatures with a little protection and provide quality bulbs even after they bolt in the spring. The best yield can be obtained in mild weather without extremes of cold, heat, and excessive rainfall. Cauliflower. The cauliflower varieties are grouped under 3 categories. These are early season, main season, and late season varieties. Early season varieties are sown from May to August and ready to harvest from September to December. Main season varieties are sown from September to October. They are ready for harvest from December to January, while late-season varieties are sown from October to December and harvested from mid-January to April end. Cauliflower can survive temperatures as low as 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Turnips. Turnips are traditionally a fall crop, but you can harvest them well into winter and spring. Turnips provide good grazing beginning in October and often lasting into the new year. Another benefit is that turnips are cheap to plant with seed often costing less than $5 per acre. Garlic. Garlic is usually planted in the fall and harvested from late spring to midsummer. It's a long maturing crop, taking 8 to 9 months from seed garlic, plantable cloves, to final harvest. June to July and October to November are the normal planting seasons for garlic. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is a cool season crop that grows best at temperatures ranging from 7 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. Swiss chard plants grow well in raised garden beds, containers, and in-ground gardens. Plant Swiss chard in a soil pH of 6.0 to 6.8 in nutrient-rich, well-drained soil at a distance of 12 to 18 inches. Mustard greens. Mustard greens are a great winter crop because while other crops begin to suffer as the temperature drops, they are happy in the cold weather and are very versatile to cook with. Besides being a powerhouse of nutrients, mustard green seeds are easy to grow and enjoy fresh from your backyard. Ready to be consumed in just 20 to 30 days. Broad bean. Broad beans are sown in the spring, from February to April. Some plant varieties are hardy and can be sown in the autumn season from October to November. November sowings usually germinate within 2 to 3 weeks. They overwinter during the coldest months, but start growing quickly again in the spring season, giving you a head start and an early harvest. In severe winters, you could need to use fleece or a cloth to protect your crop. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share the video with your friends. And subscribe to our channel, Discover Agriculture. Have a nice day.